Family Reunion 2025 is here, and I'm going to introduce you to the app that will help unlock the event's full potential. Grab your mobile phone and let's get started. Step 1 is downloading the app if you already haven't. You're going to go to your device's app store and search for KWCommand, and you're going to see a red icon just like you see on my screen here. After you've downloaded the app, you'll go ahead and open it up. Once you've opened up the app, the next step is logging in. And I'm gonna start first with our guest. If you're a guest joining us for Family Reunion this year, I wanna say welcome and thank you for joining us. We are so excited to have you. In the bottom right-hand corner, you can hit on that Family Reunion 2025 guest login and either type in your confirmation number from your registration or the email that was used to register. If you don't know either of those, you can either contact your host, tap on that I don't know my information, or visit our customer service booth once you get in town to Las Vegas. I'm gonna tap the Go Back button here and now talk to our Keller Williams agents directly. You are gonna be able to log in just as easy by using your username and password that you already used to log into Command either on your desktop or on the Command app. Now I'm in the Command app, and I'm gonna go straight to the section for Family Reunion 2025. I can get there in two different ways. First, I have the banner at the top. I can click right there on View Event, or if I hit the Dismiss button, I can always hit the three lines in the bottom right-hand corner and choose Family Reunion 2025. Once I'm here, this is where I'm going to see everything about this year's Family Reunion event. Starting first with my home screen. I can scroll through here to see some highlighted and featured sessions. I can scroll through from left to right to see the great sessions that we have. And back up at the top, I'm gonna see the menu. Everything from the full sessions, my agenda, which we'll get to that in just a second, speakers, and all of the exhibitors that are gonna be joining us in the exhibit hall. I'm gonna go back to speakers first because as you're crafting your perfect agenda, this is one of the places that I love to start. And I'm gonna start with the man himself, Gary Keller. I don't wanna miss any of the sessions that Gary's gonna be speaking at, so I'm gonna tap on his name first. And as I scroll down, I can read a little bit about Gary or see all of the sessions that he specifically is going to be speaking at. Notice that I can see all of the information about each session, the dates, the times. I can see even a little bit about each session in detail. I want to add these to my agenda. Remember that tab at the top? It's as easy as pressing that bookmark icon over on the right-hand side. Each time you add something to your agenda, you're going to get a confirmation message at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to go ahead and make sure I add every single one of these sessions to my agenda before I hit the back button in the top left-hand corner to go back to building my perfect week. Here, I'm gonna go back over to the Sessions tab. We have over 150 breakout sessions that are going to be offered. I can start scrolling through the schedule starting from February 16th all the way through the 21st. Now, with over 150 sessions, you can also use the filters in the top right-hand corner to really narrow down what you are looking to get out of this year's event. Maybe I want to start by browsing with topic. I want to start looking at listings and then hit apply. Now, I'm only looking at sessions that are specifically going to help me engage more with listings. Price it right every time. I can hit that bookmark and add it to my agenda for February 18th. As I'm scrolling through, notice that there are multiple sessions offered at the same time, just like we see here. Get more listings and revive stale listings. Here's a pro tip when you're approaching Family Reunion. I always recommend maybe having 1 or 2 breakout sessions in each time slot. That way, if one room hits capacity, meaning there's too many people that we can't allow any more in, you have a backup room to go to, so that way you're never missing out on any of the breakout time slots. I'm gonna go ahead and add both of those to my agenda, and then tap on filters again, and then exclude those listings and apply, so that way I'm seeing the full agenda. Notice that map icon in the bottom right-hand corner. The convention center is large. You can always hit that map icon to help see all of the maps that we have to help guide you from space to space, to make sure that you can see all of the rooms in each of the breakout locations. Make sure that you look around for our KWRI team members as well. We are happy to help guide you to the next breakout location at any time. Last but certainly not least, as you continue to bookmark sessions and build your agenda, I want to take you to the My Agenda tab. This is where you're going to see, as you build your perfect family reunion, this is where you'll be able to see exactly what you're going to be doing each day. In the top right-hand corner, you can hit those 3 dots and actually share your agenda, either moving it to your own calendar or sharing it with a friend. I've got another pro tip for you. Make sure that you pack your portable charger so that your device is always ready to go to be your family reunion guide. And as you're setting up the app, make sure you check your device's settings and have notifications enabled. Because if anything changes, or if we have important information to share with you, we're going to be sending push notifications directly to your device in the palm of your hand to share those details with you. You know, the Command app can do even more than help you maximize your family reunion experience. It can also help you operate your real estate business while you're working on the go. Stop by the tech booth on the exhibit hall floor to learn more ways Command can help you. I'll see you in Las Vegas.